Hello, Math 141. This problem was emailed to me. Let f of x be the function 11x to the second minus 9x plus 8. The quotient f of 4 plus h minus f of 4, this is f of 4, all over h, can be simplified to ah plus b. And so our job is to find out what is the coefficient of h, in this case A, and what is the B, and put down the numbers. So look up here, what this reminds you of. This reminds you of difference quotient. I already worked out this problem to make sure that things are working out. So let me go to the next page. So go to the second page. Okay, we know using difference quotient, I'm going to put it here, f of x plus h minus f of x all over h is known as difference quotient. We'll talk about this in details in Math 151. So for now, you have to exercise patience and just learn what what I'm showing you, and you'll see the applications of that in near future. All right. So we are given, remember that in page 1, right here, we said let f of x be 11x squared minus 9x plus 8. So let me write it here. And in red, we said that f of x is 11x to the second minus 9x plus 8. So that's the given f of x. All right. So here's my 11. I'm going to replace x with 4 plus h. Why 4 plus h? Because it's given to me. Let's look at right here. Okay. It says that the let f of x be function 11x squared minus 9x plus 8. The quotient f of 4 plus h, 4 plus h. So going here, I'm going to replace my x with 4 plus h. So now I have 11 times 4 plus h quantity squared minus 9 times 4 plus h plus 8. So that's this part, f of x plus h. Now minus f of x. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and replace the x with 4, because the 4 must have been my x. Okay, so 11 times 4 to the second power minus 9 times 4 plus 8. From this point on, I'm going to have to just simplify. 4 plus h to the second, 4 plus h times 4 plus h gives me 16 plus 8h plus h to the second. Minus 9 times 4 is minus 36, and minus 9 times h is minus 9h. And here is my plus 8 right here. Then I have minus, in parentheses, 4 squared is 16 times 11 is 176. Negative 9 times 4 is negative 36, and plus 8. And inside of this parenthesis, they all add up to 148. Now here, 11 times, and of course, this is all over h, all over h. Okay, 11 times 16 is 176. 11 times 8, h is 88h. 11 times h to the second is 11h to the second. Now, I'm going to combine the 8 with minus 36. I get negative 28. And I'm left with negative, and here's my 9 minus 9h. And finally, I have a negative in here times 148 gives me minus 148. I'm going to go to the next page. So now simplifying everything, I get 176 plus 88h plus 11h to the second minus 9h minus 176. And the 176 cancels minus 176, okay? And combining 88h with minus 9h, I get 79h, and I have a plus 11h to the second all over h. Now from the top, I'm going to go ahead and factor out an h. H, parentheses 79 plus 11h. Now that I have a product, I can cancel this h right here with this h. So I'm left with 79 plus 11h, or 11h plus 79. I'm going to rewrite it to put it in the form that is standard. Okay, so what is A? Is coefficient of H, in this case 11. What is B? B is 79. I know you're thinking that this was a little bit hard problem to understand, and I really don't have an opinion on that. It took myself a couple of minutes to look at it and see what the author of this question is trying to ask, and then it just kind of dawned on me, oh, this is what you're trying to ask. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this example, and thank you.